Welcome to Maison Bénie, a masterpiece of opulence and privacy crafted by Nicolas Day architects. Completed in January of 2022, this French provincial mansion spans over 1,300 square meters of internal living space, offering a level of luxury and grandeur reminiscent of Buckingham Palace. From the moment you enter, you're greeted by colossal proportions bathed in all-day sunlight, thanks to its highly sought-after north-facing rear aspect. This exceptional estate boasts city views, expansive national park outlooks, and a resort-style alfresco entertaining area. The gas, solar-heated infinity pool and 8-person jacuzzi overlooking the rolling hills makes it a perfect retreat for family gatherings, high-end events, weddings, and even feature film settings. Every detail of Maison Bénie speaks of unparalleled luxury and craftsmanship. The grand reception area features Versailles European oak floors and antique 18th century French lanterns adapted to electricity. Limestone and marble accents enhance the entire estate, reflecting a commitment to high-end materials and finishes. 6 distinct living areas include formal living and dining quarters, with a herringbone open fireplace, a custom-fitted home theatre, a sitting room, and a sunlit living domain with direct access to undercover alfresco entertaining. The basement level houses an entertainer's parlour, with a billiard zone, a fully fitted bar and lounge with a 96-inch home cinema. The provincial farmhouse-style kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring a large marble island and a full-service butler's pantry with secondary integrated Liebherr fridge freezers and Smeg appliances. French doors open to manicured gardens designed by Nathan Burkett, with a 3-metre high pergola and a built-in beefeater gas barbecue, an outdoor kitchen and a custom island bench. Superior accommodation spans 2 levels, including 6 bedrooms with built-in walk-in robes. The primary suite features a lounge area, a colour-cutter marble ensuite with double shower heads, a freestanding bath, and 2 separate dressing rooms. A ground floor guest bedroom with an ensuite is complemented by 2 additional lavish bathrooms, with a 5th limestone bathroom dedicated to poolside entertaining. Experience the pinnacle of palatial living at Maison Bénie, a sanctuary of unrivaled luxury and elegance.